This is Google Assistant, the only assistant which Google was having till 2023, and now it's officially been changed by Google Gemini. See, after popping up ChatGPT, all the world is focusing towards the AI, and Google is also one, and hence we got Gemini. But now Google is trying to change their assistant users towards the Gemini user, which is a bit more strange. But you will also now get an option of either you choose Google Assistant or you choose Google Gemini. But my question is, what you will choose? Eventually, in my opinion, I will choose Google Assistant, yes, over Gemini. So here's it, why Google Assistant is far more better than Google Gemini. And I bet by the end of this video, you will also choose Google Assistant over to Google Gemini. So the first thing is, when you search anything on Google Assistant, it will give you the result according to Google search, and that's very accurate because that is actually the result which been uploaded by any of the NASA or any of kind of good software or any of the kind of good website. So I've just searched the distance from the Earth to the Moon, and it just gave me the accurate value, Google Assistant. But things get changed when I just use Google Gemini. I've just asked same questions, this distance from the sun to Earth, and it just gave me near about result, means 150 million kilometers, which is not the accurate value. If supposedly I want the accurate value, that's not my choice. I don't want to go towards the approx value. I want to go towards the accurate value. And here's what things get better in compared to Google Assistant and Google Gemini. When you search something on Google Assistant, it will give you the result on the pop-up small menu. But in case of Gemini, if you will search anything on Google Gemini, it will take you to their respective app, which is their Gemini app, disrupting the all assistant features. Second thing is, Assistant can help you opening any of the application, whether it is settings, whether it is any file, whether it is a clock or any of the things. But in case of Gemini, they can't do it. I don't know why, but Gemini can't open settings. It can open some of the respective apps just like file and etc, which is dedicated toward Google. But especially if it comes in terms of settings, they fail. Third thing is, suppose you want to play a song, and if you don't know the name of the song, what you can do? Don't worry, go towards Google Assistant. Say to Google to identify the particular song. But the only thing you have to do is to hum, sing or whistle the song, and it will identify the song and give it to you the result. But case changes in terms of Gemini. Gemini can't do it. I've tried multiple of the times, but it can't. Fourth thing is, suppose you want to start and stopwatch. You're running somewhere, you're playing cricket or you're playing any of the things, and you want a stopwatch to be running in the background. You want to do it? Yep. Don't worry, you can do it on Google Assistant. Just say Google Assistant about starting and stopwatch and it will start. But things again changes in terms of Gemini. Gemini again can do it. Fifth thing is, every time you ask Google Assistant to navigate a place, it will take you to Google Maps, and that's what things get better. Google Maps will show all the nearby place. Google Maps will show you the direction of that particular place, which is kind of a bit good. But in case of Gemini, they will show you the distance, they will show you the map location, but you have to manually click on it and you have to drag the place here and there to find the location. Sixth thing, Assistant can be used in lock screen of your mobile phone. Yep, you can use Assistant, Google Assistant in your lock screen without opening the phone. But the case of Gemini changes. Gemini can't be open or can't be used in lock screen because it had to be open the particular Gemini app to be working, and that's the main problem about Gemini. You cannot use it in lock screen. And suppose if you are driving a car and if you want to drag a location there, you have to use Google Assistant in case of any of the navigation field. It will show you the map without opening your mobile phone, and in terms of Gemini, it can't. So now, here all the points are going towards Google Assistant. But the main thing is, when it comes in terms of AI, AI, Google Gemini surpass Google Assistant. And why am I saying this? So, supposedly I want to go for a trip in UK. So I've just asked Google Assistant to plan me a trip, booking all the flights, etc., searching the best hotel in UK, and also some of the best place where I can visit in UK, and my meal as well, morning, evening, and dinner. All three. And the main thing is, Google's Assistant had shown me the flight details, the hotel as well. But in case of planning and execution, all that, Google Assistant failed. But in case of Gemini, it worked. It surprisingly worked. It just gave me the flight details. It just gave me the meals. It just gave me all the details of the nearby place where I can visit and also the best hotels there. And that's kind of bit good in case of AI. But definitely you are not been planning every time a trip. For an assistant to be working properly, it need to be helpful in everyday work. And that's where Google Assistant get better in terms of comparing to Gemini. Gemini is good, but in terms of AI, not the normalizing stuff. So yeah, every company is focusing on their AI product. Tesla has made new AI. Well, that's a complete separate video part and we'll definitely make a new video onto it. But till now, from my point of view, I think Google Assistant is much better than Google Gemini, and Google should not be replacing Google Gemini with what do you think? If your choice is different, please let me know in comments down below. And yeah, if you enjoy watching this video and learn something new, keep vibrating just like a quartz. Take care.